Hello friends, you might be knowing using simple and ready to use scripts. You can automate your business process and you can provide the same solution to your prospective clients at a software solution provider. In this video, we are going to discuss a very useful uh, tool that helps every business, and it is about the point of sales, inventory management, and accounting application. As you can easily understand, every business needs this solution, and we have Acculance in this video. So we are going to explore all its feature, how it is simple, and how the data flows in the system. You can simply get this ready to use script ready to install in just $39. So watch this video until end, and we are going to discuss most basic things and most important things about the Acculance POS inventory and accounting application. So it is very good, and I'm here at the super admin dashboard. So dashboard is showing the insights of the system modules, what is going inside the system, and you have all the controls as super admin. So the POS module is here. So if you are selling directly uh, at the counter at the retail, so POS module can be helpful in selling the things directly to your customers. So it is being added, the price is getting calculated, and you can save and payment, or you can reset and save. So it is like software for selling the things and collecting the payments, as we generally see in the online stores or the retail stores, we can say. Before we discuss rest of the screen, I'll show you the setup, which is going to be very simple, and first time setup is required for super admin, and you are going to be the owner of this solution. You can use this for your own business or for your client. So in the general setting, you can white label the solution, you can rename, and you can put your credentials, how you are going to use in the system. Similarly, we have mail configuration, the SMS configuration things, the role and permission for the users, what you permissions you are allowing to them. So you can edit the permissions what you want to offer, like they can a manager can check the account summary, payment and balances, the top clients, or so you can simply enable the things or disable the things what you want to allow them to access in the system. So as this is a super admin user, so I have all the access, but you have all the controls for users what you actually want. So this is very important for user and permission, since you are going to allow or create multiple users in the system might be. Similarly, we can set the currencies, so you can run in your own currency. By default, US dollar is set, and you can create your own currency. Like if you are using INR, so you can go for INR and all. Units and conversions are here, tax rates and brands, and the payment methods are other things like cash payment, account payment, and bank transfer. You can create the additional payment systems like here and configure in the system. So the first thing you need to do is the setup, and setup, as I shown you, is very easy, and even the non-technical person can do all these things. Now next is the activity log, the application updates. If it comes, you can update the system and the account. So your profile is here, and other resources that you can uh, use for, like this is for clearing the cache, and the database options are here. The documentation, just to uh, give you the basic information how you are going to run the system and all. So documentation is inbuilt inside the system itself, and all these things can be accessed at the dashboard. Further, if you need any support from developer, support option is here. Now coming back to dashboard, I'll show you the modules one by one very quickly. In the expense module, we have categories of expense, the subcategories, and the expense list. And you can always create new things here using this form, and it is super fast, and you can easily configure all these things or create all these things. Next is the accounting module. In the accounting, we have the cash book, the accounts, the balance and adjustment, the balance transfer. So balance and adjustment, I wish to show you on a screen. Like this is one of the balance and adjustment screen here, account type and the available balance date and all basic things. Next we have the balance transfer, the transaction history, the payments, and the clients and suppliers. Next we have the loan management and the In the loan management section, we have authorities, the loans, and the payments. So all those things that you need for your business. Further, we have the people like clients and the suppliers and the employees, how many people are connected to your business. Next, we have inventory management system, like items we have and the categories of items, subcategories, item list, and the barcode for item, and inventory management as well. Like this is inventory. Like new inventory, the zero inventory, non-zero inventory, and adjustment inventory, and all. Next, we have reports. So we can run the balance sheet reports in a single click. So this is very important thing when we are running such solution. Today report, summary report, profit and loss report, expense report, sales and user reports, and all. So it is very easy, and very helpful modules are here. So it can be suitable for every business, I think. Now I am logged in as manager, so information and modules are same, but in the access is now limited. What we the super admin has allowed to a manager, like today report, summary report, and all. So it is more than easy to understand. The manager can have access on the certain things. Similarly, we have salesman login, but has been given separately, and further the limitations are here, and the salesman can access the necessary thing that is required for a salesman. So it is good, no doubt, and it is complete in all aspects. So it is very easy to use. And now if it comes to the configuration, so the configuration is very simple. All the package comes with the documentation. You can simply follow the documentation to install the system. And moreover, we are here to help you in installing the system, the solution for you, and getting it live. So it is a good idea when you are trying to uh, automate the accounting system, the POS system, and the inventory management system at your organization, and you can offer the same solution to your clients. What we can target with this module, Acculance module. So expense management are here, client management, supplier management, employee management, purchase management, sales management, point of sale, inventory, accounting management, payroll, loan management, asset management. So what else you need for your organization? So there are multiple level of users, client, ledger, supplier ledgers are also here. Email notification, email export and import, the invoice receipt, and all those things you can read in the description. Yeah, following the description link in the video. And once you decide to have this solution, you just need to spend $39. And if you need any support, we are here. So I'm going to add all the relevant links where you can get all the supports. And for purchasing the solution, you need to follow the description link and buy the solution at codecanyon.net only for $39. With all future updates, 6 months support from developer itself. So it is very reasonable expenditure. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.